this video we are once again going to be running my Pocket Option Auto Trader on desktop. It's a Chrome extension that you get completely for free with link below the video. Also, if you want to run the same binary option robot on your cell phone, we are at Google Play also with one-click install. So let's see how we do. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the bell notification on so you never lose an update video just like this one. So let's start the robot. And just like that, $3,021 in matter of minutes. We got 5 trades, 4 winners, 1 loss, 80% win rate. So if you want this binary option robot yourself, you find link below the video for Chrome extension that you see here, or even for Google Play for cell phone. So what are you waiting for? Completely for free. So that, have an amazing day.